Welcome to this overview of the Trend Breakout and Reversal EA, presented on the Mqlrobot EAS channel. In this video, we walk through the core operating structure of the EA as built inside FXdreema, and explain how this system identifies fresh breakout movements, detects potential reversals, and manages trades using a structured logic based on price action and candlestick confirmation. This expert advisor is designed to monitor the market in two major modes: trend follow mode and reversal mode. The EA begins by reading market structure around the defined EMA trend line. When price breaks above or below this reference level, and when the chart prints a new top or new bottom in trend, the system prepares for the first possible entry. These early entries help the EA position itself as soon as momentum begins to shift. When trend follow mode is active, the EA checks whether existing trades are in place, evaluates profit conditions, and looks for clean continuation signals. It then opens additional trades using a controlled grid distance multiplier. Each new order follows the breakout direction, and the EA manages exits through trailing stops and profit-based conditions. Reversal mode is triggered when opposite direction price action forms significant candlestick confirmations, such as bullish or bearish engulfing patterns. Once reversal criteria are met, the EA closes existing positions and switches trading logic. In reversal conditions, each new order uses a lot plus multiplier, allowing the system to respond decisively when the market turns sharply. Throughout the process, the EA tracks trade counts, distance multipliers, profit levels, and internal mode switches. This ensures the strategy adapts dynamically to both trending and reversing environments. Before using this EA on a live account, it is important to fully understand the underlying strategy, identify the risks involved, and conduct a detailed backtest using 99.9% tick data. Proper evaluation is essential to confirm suitability for your market conditions and personal risk profile. Thank you for watching this overview on Mqlrobot EAS.